Axel. This is your chapter formula and function part. Today we have already know about what is the function. Function is the predefined type that tasks will be defined inside the Excel. Which kind of tasks perform inside it on Excel sheet, that is already defined, and that defined process is known as function. Formula is defined by the user, but function and their tasks will be automatically defined by the Excel. It will be already used. Just you can use the function, it perform their task. In common function, you can find out in your book there is the auto sum. Auto sum is a button that is available onto the home tab of the Excel sheet. By clicking it, this symbol, we can automatically get the selected value, summation value of whatever the selected value. Suppose you have selected the multiple value and you have clicked on the auto sum option, it automatically provide you the summation value. Next one is the average function. Average function is to find out the average value of the given list of value. It is obtained by the average. You can already know about student कि by using equal sign we can perform the calculation onto the Excel sheet. Then there is the related with the sum date and time function, but in the calculative manner we can perform the practical scenario of both function like auto sum, average function. I have opened on the Excel sheet. In this Excel sheet, you can find out whatever the figure 5.14 contains the value of that contains the different students' name and their oral and written marks. I have same manner I have designed the Excel sheet. Now we can calculate the total. How we can calculate the total? We have select each cell including the total cell. Okay, now we click on the auto sum option. After auto sum, clicking on auto sum, you get summation value of each student 80 plus 75. That is the 155. You can find out there. 97 plus 98, 195. When you click on 145, 155, it shows the function. That function will be used. That is the sum function. So auto sum indirect way use the sum function. Now we calculate the average. How we can calculate the average? We have mentioned here. Here I have mentioned the average. You can just AVR and click on the tab. Now C6, that is given in your book, that value is the C6. Okay, C6, no, this can be according to me that is the C4. Colon side. And the last value, average value of the D6. You select all the C4 to D10. That we perform the average value. So 76 is the average. Overall the 76 is the average value. Now we find the maximum value. Here we can type just the max. Okay. Max. And we have just select the total who get the maximum marks here. We have select from equal max with the tab here and select E4 to E10 and press enter key. The 195 is the maximum mark. Who got the 195? Arisha. Arisha got the maximum marks. Now I select find out the minimum value. Okay. Just equal sign. Then after you can type the main function. Use the tab. Again select. Okay. And then close the bracket E4 to E10 and press enter key. 100 is the minimum marks in the total, and who got Muskan got the 100 marks. Now count function is count how many students are appeared in the oral and written test. So equal count it count, count, and bracket open and select it, E4 to E10 again. Now the 7 student appear, it can be given the 7. So count function is used to count the number of rows that are fulfilled with the data. Okay, here the 7 student value data are fulfilled here, so it can be display the number of student count. So it is the easy manner you can use the predefined functions that are commonly typed in used in Excel. Student do in the practical manner at home and try to get familiar with the function. Thank you and have a good day.